This build shows you live temperature and humidity. No app, no cloud, and on a budget. We'll wire it in minutes, load code, validate readings, and add options for both Celsius and Fahrenheit on one line. All you'll need is an Arduino Nano DHT22 I²C LCD screen, jumpers, and a breadboard. Let's wire in the DHT22 first. The middle pin is data. We'll put that one on D2 on the Arduino Nano. Plus side pin to 5 volts. Negative side pin to ground. Now for the LCD screen, the pins are in this order: 5 volts, ground, SDA, and SCL. We'll connect the SCL pin to A5. We'll connect the SDA pin to A4. Ground goes to ground, and VCC goes to 5 volts. And that's all the wiring you need to do. Now for the code. A link to this code will be provided in the description. Now, I'm using an Arduino Nano. We'll have to identify our board by coming up here, typing in Nano, selecting it, and then selecting whatever port we're loading it onto. Now for this code to work, we'll need to include some libraries. Liquid Crystal I2 by Frank, DHT Sensor Library by Adafruit, and Adafruit Unified Sensor by Adafruit. With all of our libraries properly selected, we can click the upload button, and we should see done uploading. At that point, your code is uploaded to your Nano, and you should see temperature and humidity appear on your LCD screen. As we can see, our temperature readings are pretty spot on. And if you want to see more projects like this, please like and subscribe. Thanks!